Two of Swords energy. It looks like there are options right here. It's like, kunwari, option A, option B. Parang may pagpipilian dito. And you are at the center of this. So I think this is you. You will be the one na magde-decide dito. Okay? But with the presence of moon right here, it looks like there is some kind of, not normal. It looks like this is something here mystical. Ganon, no? Na bumabalot dito. Okay? So let us see. What is this all about and what type of um, options yung parang pinagpipilian mo, pinag-iisipan mo, whatever. Let us see. Something to do with choices. With the presence of Five of Swords energy, I do see na parang ito ay isang klase, mga babes, no? Ng parang, it's like a battle, it's like a laban right here, no? Na hindi mo rito sinusukuan. Okay? Parang ito yung tipo ng energy kung saan laging gusto mo ritong manalo or feeling mo na nanalo ka dito. May ganun eh, no? So, sana may mas malinaw pa tayong makuha dito, no? Kapag inilatag na natin yung energy sa ating table maya-maya lang. Kasi parang meron ka ritong pinagpipilian. Tapos, gusto mo na siguro kung ano man yung mapili mo, options man yun, or whatever, no? Gusto mo na sana manalo yun, or tagumpay yun, or may tagumpay dun. Yan. Ano ba yan? Bugtong-bugtong na naman to. Hmm. The sun and the moon. So it looks like the universe is greatly involved dito, no? So, wow. Parang it's like, excuse me, forces, madami, universe together with the angels and guides right here, and even your ancestors. So let us see what's really happening here, okay? Why are they joining forces? It looks like they're continuously doing something here for you guys, no? Kung saan parang mas magbe-benefit po kayo. So let me continue. Wow, I've got 3 major arcanas already. It's like your intuition is also popping out right here, no? Very important din yung intuition nyo dito, so let us see. Oh, pati kayo nagugulat dito with the Queen of Swords energy, Ace of Swords right here, so let us see. Yeah, okay, I think I know what's happening here. Yeah, see, look at that. 10 of Wands right here. Both are in upright positions. Right at the heart of this reading is the Six of Wands right here beside the Seven of Wands. So yeah, definitely there continuous na ginagawa rito si Universe, no? May patuloy ritong ginagawa si Universe, guys, para mag-benefit kayo. And I'm gonna tell it to you later. Okay, let me finish muna yung paglay na ating energy sa ating table first. Okay. Wow. Four of Queens energy. That's a lot. Okay. Hi and hello there, collective. Hi, new subscribers. My name is Yan. Welcome here. And sa aking returning tambayers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang pag-antabay at pagtambay. And yeah, kung hindi niyo pa po knows, meron pa po tayong main channel, ang The High Priestess Tarot, kung saan meron din tayong ina-upload na daily collective readings for all signs. No matter what your zodiac sign is, you're welcome to hear and watch, no, yung energy readings na yan. Timeless din po yan, sweethearts. And of course, meron din tayong reading dyan per zodiac sign. Weekly naman yun, mga mahal. Kaya naman, if you want to make tambay then with my main channel, then hindi ko kayo pipigilan. Basta syempre, no, just take only what resonates. Ang link po niyan ay ilalagay ko sa description box ng reading na iti. Okay? So, wala rin po tayo ditong gender. LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo mga honey. Boys, girls, women, men, welcome kayo lahat. Okay? Pwede niyo pong i-flip yung mga roles if you want because this is general reading. And everybody, you have your free will here no, na pwede nyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. And yes, when I say timeless, pwedeng ito ay nangyari na, pwedeng nangyayari na, pwede naman na mangyayari pa lamang. Kaya naman, just take how this resonates with it. But with the presence of universe together with the unseen forces, sun card energy, moon card right here, and the high priestess, I do see that with a very strong meaning na nakukuha ko dito, your angels and guides are protecting you continuously, tuloy-tuloy, Six of Wands to the Seven of Wands right here. Okay? So, nakita ko dito that your intuition right here is nararamdaman mo pinuprotektahan ka nila. So, kahit ikaw nabibigla ka, nagugulat ka dito, bakit na ba nangyayari dyan, Miss Yan, no? Okay? This is you. Others call intuition kutob. Yan, no? So, pag kinukutuban kayo, no, parang may ganito kayong klase ng feeling. Like, let's say, okay, pwedeng while on your way home, yan, no, this is you na parang, ayan, parang ba't bigla ako nagutom? Kain muna kaya ako. Parang hindi ko na kayang, pag na-traffic ako sa biyahe, hindi ko na kayang maghintay. Gutom na ako. Yan. Nagulat ka, bigla kang nagutom dito. Then, kumain ka. Yan, no? Naisip mo na kumain ka. Yan, no? So, kumain ka muna. And then, this is you while on your way home, no? There are a lot of people, may crowd ng people, and there's ambulance, no? Example lang to mga babes, no? And then this is you, no? Nung nagtanong ka kung ano nangyayari, no? There's an accident or there might be something here na parang nangyayari, no? Na hindi maganda, something negative, no? Parang this is you were saved from this. Doon ka pa naman dumadaan pauwi, 'di ba? But it so happen nalaman mo na 30 minutes ago nangyari yung insidente, yung aksidente, 'di ba? Pero nagutom ka. Bigla ka nagutom. Hindi mo na kayang maintay, 'di ba? So, if hindi ka kumain at hindi mo sinunod yung intuition mo dito, you will be the victim there of the accident, of the incident. So, maraming instances, no? So, maliban diyan, mga klase pa ng parang, mga sitwasyon na parang ikaw ito, 'no, na nagugulat ka. Kagaya kagaya ng kunwari example, other example is this. This is you na balak mo sanang mag-leave, 'yan 'no, sa iyong work right here 'no, kasi gusto mo ritong sumama sa isang vacation. 'Yan. So, nakita ko dito na parang yung kikitain mo, sabihin na natin na parang yung leave mo na yun, naubos mo na yung leave mo, so hindi na bayad yun. Okay? Wala nang bayad yung leave na yun. Okay? And it so happen na hindi na-grant yung leave mo. Okay? So, pwedeng yan, kunwari is outing together with your friends or family. Example lang ito mga babes, binibigyan ko kayo ng scenario para mag-gets ninyo more, no? Para magkaroon kayo ng clear understanding. So, kunwari ganito, no? Gusto mo sumama sa kanila pero hindi ka pinayagan ng boss mo. Okay? And nakikita mo parang nakakaramdam ka rito ng parang inggit, nalulungkot ka rin, no? Kasi di ka makakasama sa kanila, no? So parang kayo to na parang nag-iisip kayo rito, pa naman kasi yun? Hindi ako kasama, di ako pinayagan. Naman, wala nang ang bayad yun, di pa na ako pinayagan. Yan, no? So, ganito mga babes ang mangyayari dyan, no? The day nung bakasyon or road trip or gala or outing, hindi yun matutuloy. Yan 'no. So, see, pumasok ka nung araw na yun, bayad ka pa, 'di ba? Tapos bigla silang hindi nagtuloy kasi posibleng may mga nag-back out, yan 'no. Yan ay mga klase lang ng mga sitwasyon na sinasabi ko sa inyo. 'No? Or kayo ito no, na parang yung dati ginawa ko 'tong example, parang you are with your family, namamasyal kayo, na example 'to, another example na ginawa ko 'to noon 'no, na example na andun yung family ninyo, kunyari nasa loob kayo ng isang amusement park or the zoo, pero ikaw 'to na parang feeling mo may energy ka na, ano kaya, lipat kaya kami sa ano, sa ibang pasyalan naman. Kasi parang boring na dito eh. May ganun klase ng energy. Parang gusto kong umalis eh. Parang gusto kong isama yung pamilya ko at umalis eh, no? And then, pag uwi nyo ng bahay, no, pagbukas ninyo ng news, ng TV, dun sa inalisan ninyong lugar, after nun may nangyaring gulo. Nagkatakbuhan, may nag-frank, nagkagulo yung mga tao, may stampede, okay? So may something negative, no? And this is you. Buti na lang sinunod ko yung intuition ko. Okay? This is you. Your decision right here is laging tumutumpak, tumatama. With the Queen of Swords to the Ace of Swords energy. And this is you, nagugulat ka. Kasi parang laging tama yung intuition mo. Parang laging pag sinusunod mo yung desisyon mo rito, no? Kahit aware man kayo or hindi kayo aware na intuition nyo yon or kutob nyo yon or gut feeling, whatever you call it. Okay? Sinusunod mo yun at nagugulat ka rito. Bakit ganun? Because these are your angels working. You know? Nag-overtime sila rito no, to protect you. Okay? So, kung ikaw ito na receive ka ng ganyang klase ng mga kutob, intuition, gut feeling, okay? Kasi, kinakausap ka ng iyong mga angels to do that. Kasi sinisave nila dito, ikaw, yung buhay mo. Okay? Sinisave ka nila rito. And dito pinakita sa akin kung bakit, no? Kung ba't nila yan ginagawa. Okay? Yung iba rito, mga babes, no, hindi lang yung mga situations na ganyan. Possible na may mga situations ka rin dito kagaya ng mga problema mo rito na hindi mo talaga pinagtatambayan. After ng ilang araw, konting kembot lang, may solusyon na agad. Ibig sabihin, your angels, the team universe, together with the angels, unseen divine forces, pwedeng nandiyan na rin yung mga ancestors and departed loved ones ninyo. Tulungan, OT, walang tulugan, no? Sama-sama sila rito, no, na they're working para maligtas ka rito sa mga problema na to, sa mga aksidente na to, sa mga insidenteng ito na hindi rito maganda. So, why are they doing this? It is because, you know, kailangan mo pa tong maranasan. Kailangan pang dumating yung oras na to. Ano yan, miss yan? With the presence of the Six of Swords energy, Three of Cups right here, okay, and the Ace of Coins, kasi kailangan mo pang maranasan to. Kailangan mo pang mapunta dito sa future na to. Yan, no? Kailangan mo pang mabuhay sa future. You're heading towards the calmer water right here in the future. You're gonna start your life big time. Kasi may kailangan ka pang ma-experience. At ano yun? Simple lang. Magandang buhay. Hindi mo pa naranasan yun eh. Lagi kang nandun sa, kailangan kong tipirin to. Kailangan i-budget ko to. Kailangan ganito lang yung mga galawan ko. Laging kalkulado, laging tipid yung galawan mo sa buhay mo ngayon at sa mga naging previous mong mga taon. Lagi ka ritong lack of something, shortage of something, money, work. You've struggled a lot looking for the right job for you. Pero yung iba hindi pa kayo satisfied sa trabaho nyo ngayon. Okay lang. Kumikita naman ako dito. Di man ako ganun ka-satisfied. Hindi pwedeng kumikita ka lang, babe. Hindi pwedeng ganun lang. Kasi kailangan nag-e-enjoy ka. Iba yung, alam mo yung titingnan mo yung malalim na pakahulugan ng mabubuhay ka. Okay? Yung energy na nabubuhay ka, you're living in the present moment, like you're not worrying about something, you're just happy with your life. Hindi mo pa yun nararanasan. Pwedeng yung iba nakukontento na kayo ngayon sa ganyan, pero hindi pa yan yun. Okay? May mga tagumpay pa kayo dito, may mga celebrations pa kayo dito, and this is a lot. Four of Coins energy. This is a lot. This is too much. Yung iba pera to. More money na hindi mo na kailangan magtipid. Hindi sa magiging gastador ka or one day millionaire. Pero dito hindi mo na kailangan magtipid. Because you will definitely have more than enough. Now, you can buy anything you want. Even if it's expensive. Hindi mo pa nararanasan magtagumpay. Yung tagumpay talaga. Yung iba parang lagi kang unahan, nauungusan. May tagumpay na nakikita tayo dito. At nakikita ko rito na mag-iiba yung buhay mo. And you will get your confidence back to you. You will feel that you are now living. Totoong nabubuhay ka na. And this is what the universe wants you to experience because you've got a lot of struggles right here. You know, I'm seeing utang, pwedeng utang mo, utang ng iyong pamilya na hindi pa rito tapos bayaran, whatever. Di pa nararamdaman yung talagang energy na umangat ka talaga, no? Di pa nararamdaman yung energy na nagkaroon ka talaga rito ng pera na hindi mo kailangan mag-worry for tomorrow because you're gonna have food on the table, because you have money to pay the loans, because you have, okay, the money para masupport ang iyong everyday needs. You worry a lot every day. Even right now, while I'm talking, you're worrying about something, you have a lot in your head. Saan ako kukuha ng pambayad? Saan yung pang tuition ni Junjun? Sino si Junjun? Dahil lang, sinabi ko lang mga may loves, no? Dahil may anak na kayo. Iniisip ninyo, paano yung mga school and other bayarin sa school ng anak ko or ng kapatid ko if you're supporting here your siblings, no, sa kanilang education. Saan ako kukuha ng ganito, ganyan? You have a lot of worry on your mind. Okay? Sinabayan pa rito ng hindi kami maayos ngayon ng aking boyfriend, girlfriend. It's happening. It's like everything right here is not working. Yeah. Not working for you. And universe don't want you na ganyan yung ma-experience mo up until the end of your time here on earth. That's why they're teaming up right here. Nagkakaroon dito, no? Hindi lang riding in tandem yung ginagawa ni universe dito. Ang dami nila dyan, no? Kaya nagmumukha silang sindikato dyan. Because they're teaming up, creating this. This is not a bogus. This is not a modus. But they're doing this, okay, for you. Kasi tinutulak nila dito, they're blowing, the universe is blowing, hinihipan rito ang layag, mga mahal, no? Hinihipan dito yung layag para makarating kayo rito sa magandang future. This is a start na maaring sa umpisa hindi mo yan makita na start yan, pero malaki yan. You're gonna start big. You're gonna experience yung manalo naman in life. And you're gonna experience to hold money. Na parang ito na yung malaking pera na sa umpisa, ito na yung malaking pera na naipon mo. And you will get excited right here. And then you will see after next month, lumalaki yung ipon mo. And this is you. You feel so happy. Because now you can build your life. You can start the negosyo you want. You can be able to purchase whatever it is without even worrying. Diba? Yun yung gusto ko ma-experience ng universe. That's why they're sending you this help right here, the solutions right here. You are receiving the messages. That's why yung mga intuition, gut feeling ko to, sinusunod mo. It is because marunong kang makinig. And that is what the universe love sa'yo. Because you know how to listen. And you know, okay, how to obey yung kanila ritong actions na sinasabi nilang gawin mo. So clearly, They're grateful of you because you are someone here na marunong makinig ng kanilang mga mensahe. And hugging, ito naman din ay para sa inyo. Diba? So, wow, you're heading right here to a brighter future here, no? So, gusto nilang ma-experience mo pa to. Okay? Kaya patuloy ka lang na mag-obey, sumunod, at makinig. At makakarating ka rito because they're blowing the layag in your future for you to be able to live. Yung talagang to live, no? Your life. It's like living your life at its fullest. So yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you. Honey, thank you so much, and sarang hiyo, love and light again, I'm Yan. And